In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own custom graphic t-shirt using Canva and how to bring that design to life in just a few easy steps. Whether you're creating a shirt for your brand, an event, or just for fun, this process is simple, creative, and incredibly rewarding. First, open the Canva website on your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look for the search bar at the top and type in t-shirt mockup. You'll instantly see a wide range of templates specifically designed for t-shirts. These templates are a great starting point whether you're an experienced designer or a total beginner. Take your time browsing through the available options. Canva offers everything from minimalist and modern looks to bold, artistic, and edgy designs. Find a template that fits your vision and click on it. Then, select Customize this template to open it inside Canva's editing workspace. And this is where the real magic happens. Canva's design tools are user-friendly and easy to navigate. You can start by adjusting the background color or layout to match your theme. If you want to add text, click on the text tool and type in your slogan, brand name, or favorite quote. You can experiment with different fonts, sizes, and colors until everything feels just right. Next, bring in your creative elements. On the left sidebar, you'll find the Elements tab. Here, you can browse through thousands of icons, shapes, and illustrations to enhance your design. You can also upload your own graphics or logos if you want something completely original. As you work, use the preview feature to visualize how your design will look on a real t-shirt. This step helps you adjust the placement and scale of your artwork to make sure it's centered and visually balanced. Once you're happy with your final design, click Download and save it as a high-quality PNG file. Perfect for printing. Now it's time to bring your design to life. You can upload your finished file to an online printing service like Printful, Teespring, or any local print shop that supports custom t-shirt printing. Choose your preferred fabric type and shirt color to match your design perfectly. And that's it. You've just created your own graphic t-shirt using Canva, a fun and easy way to turn your creative ideas into something wearable. Whether you wear it yourself, gift it, or even sell it, it's your art brought to life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Canva design tutorials.